I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have two workbooks open. Start by saving both to fix path issues. First, identify the source sheet and the exact cell or named range you want a link. Click the destination workbook and select the cell where the live value will appear. This is the anchor for the link. Once done, use formulas define name if you want a stable reference, because names make formulas easier to manage when sheets move or ranges expand. You should type an equals sign in the destination cell and then switch to the source workbook and click the exact cell. Excel inserts the full external reference automatically. For multi-cell or changing ranges, convert the source to an Excel table or use index with match to avoid broken offsets. Also consider using dollar signs to lock rows or columns if you need absolute behavior. Otherwise, let references remain relative for fills. Make sure links show expected values. You're nearly done. Verify links by saving and closing the source workbook, then reopening the destination to confirm Excel prompts to update external data. Once reopened, use data edit links to force an update or change the source if you moved files. If values don't update, make sure the file path and workbook name are correct, the sheet exists, and named ranges weren't altered. If problems persist, recreate the link from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.